Are you just starting out but can't afford a website? Don't stress about it. You can run your business right from Facebook. Hey everyone, I'm Isaiah from Creative Color, and today we're going to talk about how you can run your business on Facebook. Now, running your business strictly from Facebook can really be beneficial if you're a service-based business, in my opinion. Before all of you trash me, I'm well aware that any business can benefit from having a Facebook page. But for those who are on a budget and don't know how to use any other social media platform other than Facebook because that's what they grew up with, then Facebook will get the job done. With over 1.5 billion Facebook users, it's a pretty great platform to run your business from. But within your community of people, if you are a service-based business, you are more than likely going to deal with your local community, which most people in your community should have Facebook. Okay, Isaiah, enough rambling. Get to the good stuff. First things first, you need to create a personal Facebook profile in order to create a Facebook page. Once you create a Facebook page, you can add things like hours of operation, description about your business, and the services you offer along with prices. You can even add a book a meeting with you section that you can sync with your calendar if someone were to book an appointment with you. On top of all of that, you can even have an automated chat bot so that when people message you on the weekend, you can have it reply, "Hey, sorry we aren't open on weekends, but we'll get back to you within the up and coming business day." Or you can have the bot ask your potential customers specific questions that you can customize so that you don't have to do all the talking. Having an automated chatbot can even increase the chance of a sale, especially if you aren't open on weekends. If the bot can answer those questions while you're away, then that may or may not generate a sale while you're out on the beach. You can include questions such as pricing for services, hours of operation, and so much more. You can customize it completely to your liking. All right, let's get into the Facebook ads. First of all, making the ads are actually really easy. You can target everyone in your local area or worldwide if you offer services in other areas. Video ads tend to do a lot better than photo ads. With a video ad, you're able to give the message you want to people to receive. Whereas photos, sometimes people might get a bit different of a message than you're trying to give. In the future, we will be touching on how to create your own Facebook ads yourself and creating a how-to video for you to refer to as well. But in the meantime, we'll link some great videos down below. Before we end this video, I want to touch on a strategy that you can do moving forward to give you a sense of direction. Create lots of video content about the services you offer. They don't have to be snazzy videos. Do the best you can with what you have. If you have the funds to invest in a camera, do it. You can search on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Kijiji. Currently, we're using the Canon Rebel T6i that we got on sale for $400. Along with a $100 Blue Yeti mic from Amazon, and we pay about $15 a month for Adobe Premiere Pro. You can create content yourself on a budget for your Facebook page. Isaiah, I have no idea how to create videos. Neither did I. When I first started out creating my own content, up until we got an in-house photographer and videographer to create these awesome videos, I learned myself all on YouTube. And if you know how to cut your video, edit your audio, and edit the lighting, you're all set. It may not be the best content to begin with, but we all start somewhere. And most important thing to keep in mind is that you're making content for your potential customers to see. Trust me, it will only get better from here for you and your content creation. Now that we got that out of the way, back to the strategy here. If you post 1 to 2 videos a week along with 1 to 3 photos a week, and boost or turn that video or photo into an ad and do that every other post, you should slowly start to receive inquiries and messages and a lot more engagement from people to know more about your services. Some posts will do great, others won't. Don't get discouraged and keep making content. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If not, hit that dislike button, but please leave a comment why you disliked the video and how we can improve. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that next time we upload a video about marketing, you'll get notified. I said that really weird.
On Facebook.
On Facebook.